Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Pen. Now it's a Saturday lunchtime and we're going to have a sandwich for lunch, but I'm going to make a dressing for the sandwich. The sandwich is going to have pastrami in it because I do like pastrami. Please excuse me. It's also going to have a bit of coleslaw, and for Steve it will also have, I need to stop coughing, excuse me, some sliced gherkin. And the dressing we're going to make is called a Russian dressing. So let's just run you through the ingredients. You need a couple of cornichon. Now cornichon are just baby gherkins and you need to chop those quite finely, which I have done, and I'm going to pop those into most of those into my bowl. Okay, you'll also need a tablespoon of ketchup, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, a tablespoon of horseradish cream, dash of Worcestershire sauce, dash of Tabasco, and optional is a pinch of paprika. Now I'm using sweet, you can use hot, you could even use cayenne pepper if you so wanted. So let's get you moved and you can see what we do. Right then, we're all set. So as I've said, I've got my cornichons that are chopped, and in the bowl I'm going to add to that a tablespoon of mayonnaise. God, I sounded like the bloke out of Officer and Gentleman then, didn't I? Mayonnaise. Right, a tablespoon of ketchup, a tablespoon of horseradish cream. Now let's get this off so I can see what I'm doing. Right, a tablespoon. 3 teaspoons equals 1 tablespoon. So 3 teaspoons of horseradish cream. So 1, 2. Smells really good already. I love horseradish. 3. Okay, so that's our 3 tablespoons. Let's make sure we get everything. Well, 3 tablespoons. 3 teaspoons, aka 1 tablespoon of horseradish. Put the lids back on. And then we want a brand new Worcestershire sauce as well. A dash of Worcestershire sauce. You decide what a dash is. And a dash of Tabasco, because you do want a little heat in there. Right, so dash of Tabasco. That was quite a good dash. Will I regret it? And then our optional sprinkle of paprika, usually hot, or use cayenne if you want it hot, hot, hot. Just maybe a 1/4 teaspoon. Not quite. And then all we do is we're going to mix this together. And this Russian dressing is what is traditionally used in a Reuben. And in a Reuben you would indeed use pastrami, you would use the Russian dressing, you would use gherkins, and you'd have I can't stand the stuff and I can't even think of the name of it. It will come to me, I'm sure, at some point. So that's why that's not in mine anyway, because I don't like the taste of it. Right, and that is your Russian dressing. So what we want to do is we want to just check to see if it needs anything else. Oh. No, it doesn't. That is, wow, that is delicious. Right, then we take our sandwich bread that is buttered. I know it's not particularly common to butter sandwiches in the States, but we're in the UK, so yes, we are going to butter it. Going to put a little bit of coleslaw down, and then we'll go with the gherkins, because this is Steve's sandwich. I've sliced them quite thinly, so you'll certainly have a slice of gherkin in every bite, won't he? And then the pastrami, and it is very thinly cut. Pastrami is. So there's 10 slices in this pack, so yeah, we're going to be greedy and have 5 each. I mean, you know, you want to know that you've got some meat in your sandwich, don't you? 4, 5, and then we shall just pop some on the top of this slice. Give it a little spread. Right, top our sandwich and we can cut it. And I'm going to hold it up so that you can put it on this plate actually, and you can see how nice that sandwich looks. So I need to take Steve's through, make mine, and we'll be back for the taste. Right then, Steve's got his, he's tucking into it, and I've remembered it's sauerkraut that would go in a Reuben. I've tried various varieties and no, it's not for me. Maybe I should make my own, who knows. But anyway, here's my pastrami sandwich with coleslaw and Russian dressing. And what I did for mine, I actually put a teaspoon of the Russian dressing in with the coleslaw too. So I've got the Russian dressing on top, then the pastrami, then the Russian dressed coleslaw. So let's have a bite. Right, there is nothing there that I dislike. That is really nice. So, Russian dressing, try it. Sandwiches, salads. Oh, do you know you could even pass it through a pasta salad? That might be nice. But for now, I'm done. I'm going to eat, drink my cup of tea, and I shall see you again next time in the kitchen with Pen. Bye bye for now.